busiest city in Switzerland, which is Zurich. Either the start or the end of your trip will be most likely tour. Today's video, I'll bring you along for a quick walking tour or a mini walking tour in Zurich. We'll show you how day one in Zurich looks like. I'm so excited. Get a wiggle on without any further delay. Hello everyone, welcome to InfoBucket. So we've booked a cab. We're heading towards the airport and we are flying to Switzerland. Say hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. Well, he seems to be not liking the shoot. Good food, good mood. Relaxation is much needed before a big travel adventure. The children's play area kept Shivansh quite occupied. And we are all set to fly. We are straight away going to our Airbnb stay in Zurich. Since we were two families, we booked a two-room apartment. I'll share the link in the description box. It was quite spacious with 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 hall room, attached balcony and a washroom. It is exactly the same as it is shown in the picture. Kitchen is much needed when you travel with a kid. Overall, it was a very good experience staying there. Now, let's go and check the cost per night. Let's freshen up and start our day by visiting the Swiss National Museum. I'll give you a quick glimpse of the museum. But she isn't real. Everyone should visit this museum. This is extraordinarily beautiful. Now let me take you to Adler's Swiss Sushi restaurant, which is around 11 minutes of walking distance from Swiss National Museum. Hey guys, we are here at the Swiss sushi restaurant. Let's show you around. So here, sushi means cuisine and everybody is busy having fondue and roasting. Zurich and the Zurich Lake Bridge and get ready for the boat ride. This place is around 7 minutes of walking distance from the Swiss sushi restaurant. Let's end the day with some fun and head towards Lindt, home of chocolate, to see how chocolates are made.